Hey there, hi, it's Joe, and I did this quick project for my wife this morning. She was complaining about her 25 plus year old knife storage blocks looking like crud. So I decided to take them outside and see what I can do with them. So basically, I went and I got some sandpaper, 220 grit, this sander, my electric sander, and I just did a quick sanding on it, real quick sanding. Don't get crazy on it, just rough it up a little bit all the way around underneath and just make it look nice, just rough it up a bit. And then I took this alcohol and I wiped everything down. It was kind of sticky when I wiped it down, but that's good. When it dries, it's not sticky anymore, and it just cleans it up, really gets all the dust off of it and cleans it really well. And then I use this Rust-Oleum gloss clear, and it went on great. I did a couple of coats of that on it, and it dries pretty quickly, and these things came out great. These look beautiful. These will work on any butcher blocks, on any knife blocks. They came out great. They look like new. The Cutco down here, I was surprised. It looked like crud. You couldn't even read it before. And after I threw the paint on it, or the clear coat, you can read them really well. Yeah, these came out really sweet. My wife's going to be really happy when she sees these. Yep. All right, it's a great project. Took like 20 minutes. Have fun.